Welcome to JH. Today we're looking at markperks.com, a website that claims you can get paid to review products and even snag $750 in rewards through a supposed Walmart reviewer program. Because clearly, Walmart is just dying to hand out nearly $1,000 to random people on the internet for their expert opinions. A lot of you are wondering if this is the real deal. So let's peel back the layers on this onion and see why it smells so bad. First off, checking the domain details reveals this site was registered only in November 2025. It's so fresh it's practically from the future, or more likely, it's just another pop-up shop with zero credibility. When you click this Start Earning button, instead of a sign-up page, you get catapulted to a completely unrelated website. It's a bold strategy to keep users confused, though unprofessional and suspicious are the words that actually come to mind. Then there's the social media presence, which is currently sitting at a solid 0. No accounts, no followers, and absolutely no proof of existence outside of its own sketchy domain. It's the digital equivalent of a guy in a trench coat selling authentic Rolexes in a dark alley, except even that guy probably has an Instagram. There's also no contact support, no privacy policy, and zero transparency about who is actually running this show. We even checked Trustpilot for some user feedback, but we found nothing but silence. Without verified reviews or any history of actual payouts, markperks.com is basically a giant red flag waving in the wind. Between the weird redirects and the total lack of information, this platform is about as trustworthy as a chocolate teapot. Stay safe, keep your personal details to yourself, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates on what to avoid online.